Ever pondered what keeps us grounded and why objects fall back to Earth when thrown up? This is not magic, but the unseen force we call gravity. A force so omnipresent and vital that without it our existence as we know it would be impossible. Imagine gravity as an invisible hand that gently but firmly holds everything in its place. From the pen that slips from your hand to the ground, to the moon that orbits our planet, gravity is the force at play, pulling objects towards each other. It's a bit like an unseen magnet drawing things in. But gravity does more than just keep our feet on the ground and our planet in orbit. It's a cosmic architect, shaping and forming the universe as we know it. The spectacularly spherical shape of our planet, the swirling galaxies in the cosmos, the endless expanse of the universe itself, all of it is sculpted by the invisible hands of gravity. Think of it like this. If the universe was a grand sandcastle, gravity would be the water that helps shape and hold the grains of sand together. Without it, the sand would just scatter, unable to form the beautiful structures we marvel at. Gravity, with its invisible hands, kneads the dough of the universe, shaping it into planets, stars, galaxies, and everything else we see when we gaze up at the night sky. It's a force that, while invisible to our eyes, is as real as the air we breathe, silently shaping the universe, one celestial body at a time. So when you toss a ball into the air and it comes back down, or when you look up at the night sky and marvel at the twinkling stars, remember this: gravity is at work. It's the unseen force that keeps our world and the universe in order. It's the invisible thread that connects everything, from the smallest grain of sand to the largest galaxy. So gravity is the invisible thread that holds the universe together. Scene script. Have you ever wondered why you don't float off into space? It's a question that might seem simple, but it's actually grounded in one of the fundamental forces of the universe, gravity. Let's take a closer look at gravity right here on our home planet, Earth. Gravity is more than just the force that keeps your feet on the ground. It's a constant presence in our daily lives, influencing everything from the simple act of walking to the behavior of the ocean's tides. Imagine trying to step forward, but instead of moving ahead, you find yourself drifting upward, untethered from the ground. That's a world without gravity. In such a world, the simple act of walking, something we take for granted, becomes a monumental task. But thanks to gravity, we can walk, run, and jump with relative ease, always sure of our connection to the earth beneath us. Now consider the ocean's tides. They rise and fall each day, a rhythmic dance that's been ongoing for billions of years. This isn't just a beautiful natural phenomenon, it's a testament to the power of gravity. The rise and fall of the tides are primarily due to the gravitational pull of the moon, and to a lesser extent the sun. Without gravity, there would be no tides, and the oceans would be a lot less dynamic. Gravity is the invisible glue that holds our world together. It shapes our planet, guides our movements, and even influences the very nature of our existence. It's not just a force, it's a fundamental part of our lives. And yet, despite its profound influence, gravity is something we often overlook. We go about our daily lives largely unaware of the invisible force that's constantly at work, keeping us grounded, shaping our world. But the next time you take a step or watch the tides roll in, remember, it's all thanks to gravity. Without gravity, our very existence would be a floating question mark. It's a force we cannot see, but its effects are all around us, a constant reminder of our place in the universe. So here's to gravity, the unseen force that keeps us all grounded. Gravity doesn't stop at Earth's edge, it's a cosmic player. This invisible force, so familiar to us on Earth, extends its reach far beyond our planetary borders. It's the puppet master behind the dance of the planets and stars, shaping the universe as we know it. In the vast expanse of space, gravity is the director of the cosmic ballet. It choreographs the orbits of planets around their stars, keeping them locked in a harmonious dance. Without gravity, planets would simply float away into the abyss, their paths uncharted and unpredictable. But gravity pulls them back, keeping them tethered to their stars in predictable, elliptical orbits. It's a delicate balance of push and pull, and gravity is the maestro conducting this celestial symphony. But gravity's influence doesn't stop at the planetary level. It is also instrumental in the formation of galaxies. Galaxies are enormous structures composed of billions of stars, and gravity is the architect that brings them together. It pulls in gas and dust, condensing them into stars and planets. Over billions of years, these tiny particles, under the influence of gravity, come together to form galaxies, each unique in its form and structure. Even the behavior of celestial bodies is dictated by gravity. Black holes, those mysterious entities at the heart of galaxies, are a testament to gravity's immense power. Their gravitational pull is so strong that not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape their grasp. They warp the fabric of space-time around them, a phenomenon we can observe as gravitational lensing. Gravity may be invisible, but its effects are seen in every corner of the universe. From the orbits of planets to the formation of galaxies and the behavior of celestial bodies, gravity is a force to be reckoned with. It is the unseen hand guiding the cosmic dance, orchestrating a symphony of celestial bodies across the vast stage of the universe. Gravity, the cosmic glue, gives structure to the universe and keeps it from falling into chaos. Now that we've seen how gravity works on Earth and in space, let's take a look at its role in shaping cosmic structures. Gravity, my friends, is the grand master of construction in our universe. It's the silent sculptor, shaping the cosmos across billions of years. So how does it do this? Imagine the early universe, a hot, dense sea of particles. As the universe cooled and expanded, tiny fluctuations in the density of this particle soup started to grow. Gravity was the driving force behind these fluctuations. It pulled particles together, creating areas of higher and lower density. Over eons, these denser regions became the seeds of stars. Gravity compressed these particles, creating intense pressure and heat until, bang, a star was born. But gravity wasn't done yet. It continued to pull matter together, creating larger and larger structures. Galaxies, those sprawling cosmic cities of stars, are also products of gravity's grand design. Each galaxy is a testament to gravitational pull, a symphony of stars dancing to the rhythm of this cosmic force. But why stop at galaxies? Gravity continues to work on even grander scales, pulling galaxies together into clusters, superclusters, and even larger structures. These colossal cosmic assemblies are the largest structures in the universe, all thanks to gravity. So you see, gravity isn't just about keeping your feet on the ground or the moon in orbit around the Earth. It's a universal architect, silently shaping the cosmos over billions of years. Gravity, the grand architect, shapes and structures the cosmos. So, to sum it all up, gravity is a force to be reckoned with. It's the invisible strings that keep our feet planted firmly on the ground. It's the master puppeteer that orchestrates the ebb and flow of our oceans. But its influence doesn't stop at our atmosphere's edge. It reaches out into the cosmos, bending and shaping galaxies, forming the intricate celestial structures we marvel at through our telescopes. Not only that, but it's the glue that holds all the cosmic pieces together, creating the grand tapestry of the universe. It's a force that's omnipresent yet invisible, silently shaping our reality. And even though we've only scratched the surface of understanding it, we know this. Without gravity, there would be no us, no Earth, no stars, no galaxies. Gravity, as we've seen, is an essential force that shapes and structures our universe. We've taken a fascinating journey into the world of gravity today. Our everyday lives are subtly shaped by this unseen force, from the simplest acts like pouring a cup of coffee to the complex structures of galaxies far beyond our reach. It's incredible, isn't it? The same force that keeps our feet on the ground also orchestrates the grand dance of celestial bodies across the cosmos. Now let's take this discussion further. How do you see gravity shaping your world? What questions has our journey sparked in your mind? The comment section is your platform to share, discuss, and explore. Remember, even the most complex concepts began as simple questions, so don't hold back. If you've enjoyed this cosmic journey, do like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the world around us.